welcome to another video. Sarah and I are on our way to St. Petersburg on an IFR plan, even though it's a really nice VFR day. Plan is to land, have lunch at the hangar restaurant, and then go to the Dalí Museum. That's just steps away from the airport. Flight time's about 50 minutes, and we'll be cruising at 4,000 feet. Wait, what did I say?
I don't know, but isn't it longer than 50 for St. Pete's?
Yeah, it's about 50.
Oh, okay.
While Sarah's taking pictures of clouds. If you like these videos, please subscribe, hit like, and you'll receive notifications when the next one comes out.
Ouvre ton cœur à l'amour, ouvre ta fenêtre au jour, laisse entrer chez toi le gai soleil et dis allez, 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 à bonjour. Cueille la fleur la plus belle, chante une chanson nouvelle, et va-t'en courir sur les chemins qui sont de la nature, les lignes de la main. Prends un bain dans la rivière, sèche-toi dans la clairière, et n'assieds pas ton derrière sur les orties familières. Dis-toi que le temps s'écourt, qu'il faut penser à l'amour. Laisse entrer chez toi le gai soleil et dis allez, 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 à bonjour.
3 Charlie, advise you to get the Albert Wooded Airport in sight. It's at your 1 o'clock and 7 miles.
Airport site, 3 Charlie.
3 Charlie, clear visual approach on rate 7. Contact Wooded Tower on 127.4.
All right, 127.4 over tower, 3 Charlie. Thanks for the help.
Number 413 Papa Hotel, Miami.
Wooded Tower, Cherokee, 933, 8 Charlie, on the downwind visual, runway 7.
3 Charlie, Wooded Tower, into the right base, runway 7, winds calm, altimeter 3018.
Right base, runway 7, 3 Charlie.
Number 3 Charlie, you can turn your base at your discretion, runway 7, clear land.
On our base, cleared land, runway 7, 3 Charlie.
Float plane 1 Echo, just remain clear of the Bravo airspace, proceed on course for exchange group. Alright, clear the Bravo on course, thanks. 1 Echo.
Pretty cool, huh?
It's so freaking cool.
Eagle 3 Sierra Yankee over the dawn, inbound. Eagle 3 Sierra Yankee straight into runway 7, wind calm, altimeter 3018. Straight in for 7, 3 Sierra Yankee.
Hello.
Hey, float plane 1 Echo, what's your destination today?
1 Echo, sorry, we're headed west. I should have told you. I meant to say west and I said east. I just realized that when you asked. I can go wherever you want right now though.
Alright, turn left heading 230.
Alright, left at 230.
Tower Cirrus 143, Rummy Sarah, found our phone. We're back ready for you, Delta 17. Number 3 Charlie, you going to the restaurant?
Restaurant 3 Charlie.
Alright, turn left on taxiway Delta, taxi to the right.
Left on Delta, taxi to the restaurant 3 Delta. 3 Charlie. Welcome to St. Petersburg.
Hey, 1 Echo, just remain on that 230 heading till you get on the southeast side of Don Cesar.
It's a little bit of a hairy landing, but
Didn't seem hairy because...
yeah, it's figure right next to the city and right on the water, and
in other words, very cool.
you know, it was very cool.
Runway 7, clear land.
It was beautiful.
7, clear to land, 3 Sierra.
There's the Dalí Museum.
Oh, cool. Wow, that looks really neat.
We're going to the Dalí Museum.
Spinning signs on boulevards and putting faith in tarot cards. You've been a valet, the taxi on the way, late at night. Ah, look at that, you've made it. Now grab a glass and raise it. How does it feel? Does it seem surreal? 'Cause when all seemed faded, you joined the warm descent that made it. How does it feel? Does it seem surreal? So surreal. Waiting tables, men in bars, pressing sheets and washing cars. People come and gone, told you you're the one every time. Ah, look at that, you've made it. Now grab a glass and raise it. How does it feel? Does it seem surreal? 'Cause when all seemed faded, you joined the warm descent that made it. How does it feel? Does it seem surreal? So surreal. And I'm glad, so glad that you made it. So glad that you made it. Look at that, you've made it. Now grab a glass and raise it. How does it feel? Does it seem surreal? 'Cause when all seemed faded, you joined the warm descent that made it. How does it feel? Does it seem surreal? Look at that, you've made it. Now grab a glass and raise it. How does it feel? Does it seem surreal? 'Cause when all seemed faded, you joined the warm descent that made it. How does it feel? Does it seem surreal? So surreal.